Salute my commanders. Ngine-message encane la kuwona wonke ama-commanders e-MK, especially from the top leadership. Into engiyibukayo ngoba phela-ke asizona izilima, asizona izingane. Abantu bakithi kudlalwe kakhulu ngabo over 30 years by political leaders and political parties. Mina into engiyibukayo ukuthi if i-leadership, especially ubaba uMsholozi, they don't have a complete control over i-MK party. Into ezokwenzeka i-MK party in a very short space of time izoba worse than the ANC. The MK party will be worse than the ANC. Worse in corruption, worse in bloodshed, and worse ungacabangeli abantu bakithi laba sisifuna ukubakhulula. If we are not honest and consistent, and if umakhona umuntu wenza into wrong engakholwa into order same time. Personally, I've been in politics for maybe 5 years, but I've never experienced so much hate and so much division in a political party. There's so much hate and so much. I don't think uthi hate ekhona ne-division ekhona kuwona wonke ama-parties in South Africa, it can come to a level ekhona ku-MK party. Please, if usifuna ukukhulula abantu ngempela, love for yourself what you love for the next MK member. Singazicabangeli sodwa. The MK party will be worse than the ANC in corruption, in bloodshed. It will be worse if total control. Some will blame former SG, but I'm one of those who don't blame him. If you feel suffocated by a group of people, you have to take a decision, a sound decision. Whether usemshadweni, whether we're in a friendship, whether whether we're a political party, why don't you feel suffocated? Find out about the other options. But okwamanje sithi awukwazi umkhonto, but leadership must take the into seriously. And a lot of us feel that akusona le MK esasingene kuyona ukhulu umuntu omnyama. Engazi ukuthi siphelezela abantu abanama-agendas abo la from top leadership uzofika kuma-VDs nakuma-sub-region nakuma-region. Asishintsheni leadership ngempela, asishintsheni and go back to i-mandate ne-vision ne-ideology yokukhula abantu bakithi. Kwazi Mkhonto.